Hello friends. So in this video I just show you to how to create an account on acklandmediaframes.com. So for that we need to go to first acklandmediaframes.com. It's a nice website having a nice user interface, and let's first you need to click on the login button. Then this pop-up message will appear. If you are visiting website for the very first time, so you need to click here to register, click on that. After that, this page will appear on your screen. So uh, you just need to add your name. So for now, as a reference, we are using any test user. So test dot 1 2 3 4. I'm using test here, but you will use your name, full name, then add your website if you have any. If don't, then it's fine. Then it's the company name. It's mandatory, as we are only only manufacturers. So for now, we're adding any test company. So now next step is the email. Add your email. So for now, I'm using any email, like any dummy email for now. So then add your password. The password should be minimum of 6 lines. It's good to use a strong password. So here I'm using any password. Then the sales code. If you have a sales representative that's helping you with this website, so add his initials CC, KP, BG, or DO. So if you don't have any, then it's okay. It's all right. It's not mandatory. And to make sure when you're adding email, add your if possible add that your business email, so it will help us to approve or deny as a user. It will really fasten the process. Then you need to click here to make sure that you are not a robot. So then you need to click on register. But first, suppose you came to this website like 1 year ago, couple of years ago, and you have registered, but you not remember that. In that case, what you should do. So this is the account that is already registered with this website. In this case, when you click on register, see the error has occurred. The error is that this email is already in use. Please try a different one. In this case, what you need to do is you need to go here and click here. Already registered and forgot your password. Click here to get a new password. In that case, go here, enter your email, then you will get a password notification. A new password, how to create your new password via email. So you can do this from here. But now, as we are first time registrars, we're using again email ID. Then add your password again. Then click on this verification code. If you click on this checkbox, then you will get an email with all your email ID, your password. So if you like forgot your password, you can always get back to your emails and make sure that password is there, and it will be much easier. Then click on the register. Then you will go to this page. What this page is saying that this account has been successfully created, And we are trader. In order to get pricing, please register us below. Once approved, you will have the full access to our website and wholesale pricing. So here, uh, our tech guys will go in the backend and they need to approve you. Once it will take like a, I will try to make it as quickly as possible, but uh, you will be notified by the email. uh, and other thing is, if you want to if you need to get the pricing urgently, then you don't need to wait. Just call on this number top of the website. Here, call it, and tell the person on the call to just approve you, and he will approve your account at the very moment you call them. Or otherwise, I'll adding the email uh, to the description. You can contact him and they will approve you right away. So that our account has been approved by the admin. So we'll again go to acklandmediaframes.com. Just to cut this part, just a plain old website, simple website. Go to the login again. This will appear, and click here to login. Here you can enter. Mine was username was test.1234. Then enter the password. So it is as simple as that. The account has been created. You've been logged in. Then now enjoy your shopping. See our competitive cost. And if again you got into any trouble, I urge you to call this number or send an email to us, and we'll reply as quickly as we can. So help you with the shopping. So thanks for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment down below. Thank you. Have a good day.